Hello tree lovers, I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. I am watering trees, and the reason I'm making a video of this is because I want to show you what I have learned about watering trees. And it's the best way, and that's to water from the top and let the water flow down through the tree all the way into the bottom of the tree. This saturates all of the leaves, the branches, the trunk, the bark, and the ground. This tree gets maximum moisture everywhere. Now these are Buddha belly bamboos, and this particular customer did not water this way, and these trees have struggled a little bit, so we're helping her to understand that when you water like this, you're giving the tree the maximum attention. So keep this in mind when you get your trees planted. Water from the top down.